Welcome back to our channel. Let's test our knowledge on the states of matter. Which state of matter has a definite shape and volume? Solid, liquid or gas? Solids have fixed shape and volume. Which state of matter takes the shape of its container but has a definite volume? Solid, liquid, gas. Liquids take container shape but keep their own volume. Which state of matter can be compressed the most? Solid, liquid, gas. Gases are easily compressible due to large spaces between particles. The process of changing solid directly into gas is called evaporation, sublimation, condensation. Sublimation is solid to gas without becoming liquid. What happens to the particles of matter when heated? They move slower, they move faster, they stop moving. Heat makes particles vibrate and move faster. Which of these is an example of gas? Water, ice, oxygen. Oxygen is a gas at room temperature. Which process changes liquid water into vapor? Freezing, evaporation, melting. Evaporation changes liquid water into water vapor. Which of these best describes a liquid? Fixed shape and fixed volume, fixed volume but no fixed shape, no fixed volume and no fixed shape. Liquids have volume but not a fixed shape. The process of gas changing into liquid is called freezing, condensation, melting. Condensation is gas to liquid. Which of these is not a property of gas? They separate easily, they are rigid, they can be compressed. Gases are not rigid, they spread and compress easily. Thank you for watching our channel. Like, share and subscribe.